So I'm on the second floor. There's a little foot landing at the bottom, followed by stairs all the way up here. And you must take off your shoes inside the place. I get a lot of mail. Yep, I will recycle those soon. I have this handy shoe closet. It's definitely helpful since you're supposed to discard of your shoes on this entryway. So let's come up the stairs. Up here I have this random hallway. I might put my yoga mat here. This looks down into the stairwell. Ooh, spooky. Through this window, I can see whoever knocked at the door. A lot of Leopalaces have like the little security cam. I do not have that, but that's my random hallway. And next up we have the laundry and bathroom area. This is my washer. Japanese apartments do not typically have dryers. You're gonna hang dry everything. I have some stocking to do. Obviously haven't needed to do laundry yet in a few days I've lived here. With this control system you can dry things in the bathroom. And the fan, lights, all that jazz. This is my toilet room. It's nice, fancy. Toilets with a bidet, oshiri. Wash your butt. When you flush, water comes out the top here, so you can do a quick hand wash if you like. Saves you a trip to the other sink. I feel bad, yes, I just wasted a little bit of water. This here is the shower room, and I haven't bothered yet to get a shower curtain because this tub is so small. My elbow will come up and hit the bar at the top. This faucet is shared between the shower and the sink. You can mix it for halfway full hot water. Also, just switch it to shower mode. You gotta just flip it in the other direction, and you got a shower. This whole room will get wet when you take a shower, so I would move my towels outside of the bathroom just so it doesn't get soaking wet. So word of warning, there isn't really any storage space inside the actual bathroom to be spoken of. I might put some right by the sink here, but then again, as I mentioned, the shower kind of gets everything in this little room wet. There's a drain in the floor, because it's just that much water is going to collect on the ground when you take a shower or a bath. So just FYI. We have the kitchen. I don't have a lot of food right now. I just moved in a couple of days ago. Up here are some snacks, and the best yummy chocolate, Meiji chocolate, and it looks like it's the Tokyo 2020 chocolate. So breakfast for tomorrow, my little tea tiger. So cute, miso soup. The apartment comes with a microwave and little mini fridge, some yogurt. I don't have a ton of groceries right now. Nothing in the freezer, but there will be soon. And then you get this storage area. I have a lot of kitchen shopping to do. You can store below. Different cities might have different specified trash bags, FYI. Tiny little sink, 2 burners, electric stove. Alrighty, the last room in the back of the apartment is the bedroom / living room space / entertainment area. Here they provide the table and the chair. These chairs are not very comfortable, so I purchased the little sofa couch thing, and the back will adjust however far back or forward you want it to be. Might get a little table for it for my laptop. I've taken the liberty to decorate a little bit. Just some good photos for homesickness and, you know, just reflections and that kind of thing. So you'll see there's actually a fair bit of closet space and a heater / air conditioner, which is great. I've put sort of my scarves and sweaters in here. Boxes with, you know, other undergarment type of things, and there's 2 parts to this closet, which is great. On this side I have more of my clothing and shoes that didn't fit in the shoe closet downstairs. Plenty of space for clothes. Okay, last stop on your tour of this Leopalace apartment is my little bed here. Can put some memorabilia up there. I put some of my artwork, and of course, Seattle. Love you, Seattle. And under the bed there's this whole storage cabinet thing. I've been able to squeeze some suitcases back there, you can't see them, and purses. These steps that go up to the bed, you can put stuff in them. It's very space conscious and well appointed. So in here I have all of my shirts, and the second step up I have pants in there. So I apologize, this video isn't a bit more sophisticatedly produced, but I'm actually headed to Osaka tomorrow. It'll be my first sort of getaway from the city that I've been placed for teaching. I'm really excited to go try some takoyaki and sort of get out of my sort of stress headspace from moving. So I've been in here for a few days. Like I said, I'm on a tight timeline, getting out of town to the city tomorrow. Hey guys, quick update. I'm back from Osaka. I decided to start decorating all this closet wall space with different like postcards and things from places that I've been able to visit in Japan. So Osaka, I went to the Kaiyukan Osaka Aquarium, which was amazing. So these 2 things are from there, as well as my little whale shark friend up here. And as I go to Kyoto, Tokyo, and more places in Japan, I'm hoping to deck out more of this closet space. Home is however you personalize it, and that's my plan to how to personalize mine. So I hope you enjoy the ride along with me. Lastly, there's my view outside, and you can hang dry your clothes out here. That's pretty much what you'll see outside of most Japanese apartments. You may enjoy, or I don't know, be a little creeped out by the trash truck, which sounds a lot like the ice cream truck. It's pretty exciting and adorable. Definitely a positive spin on cleaning up and taking out the garbage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.